So here are two things that we will be able to do by end of this video. First, we will be able to set up n8n on your laptop. Second, we will run free LLMs using Ollama so that you have to pay zero cost for any kind of APIs. So let's first get the basic setup. You will need Docker, so you can go to this official Docker website and download the official Docker version. I already have it downloaded. And then you also go to Ollama and download it for either Windows or Mac. In this particular tutorial, we will be using Windows, but I'll give you a total explanation of how you can do it on Mac. I've documented the whole workflow here and I will share the link with you. So I have all the high level steps documented in this quick OneNote that we will use throughout the video. First, we'll be installing Docker. Then we will pull an image of n8n on Docker, which is how you run various software in Docker. Then we will run n8n. We will install Ollama. So Ollama is our way of using free models by running them locally on our laptop, so that we won't have to pay any cost for any kind of LLM APIs. Then finally, we will create a simple n8n agent and we will see how we are calling these LLM models running locally on our laptop. So we already have Docker installed and running in background. We don't need to do anything with it right now. Let it run in the background. We will pull an image of n8n. So on Windows, just copy this. I'll just copy this code. I'll share this with you later. I will open PowerShell and I will paste it here. So it's first checks if it already has an image of n8n. If not, it starts downloading. So you are seeing here that it is downloading all the software that is needed to run n8n. Okay, so it says open in browser, and that's our next step. Also, be able to see, and we'll just copy this address here and we will open this in Chrome. So here you go. You already have an n8n running and you just need to sign up for the first time. Once you do, you won't have to sign up again. I will add my credentials here. So we are signing up. Let's just select something. Let's say education. I don't know. Let's say engineering. CICD. It doesn't really matter what options you're selecting. And then let's get started. So we are on our n8n instance. So let's start building an AI agent. We will search for a simple AI agent node. So here you go. We just click outside this and you see an AI agent node. This is how an AI agent nodes look like. This is a chat trigger. Then your AI agent has three parts. First is a chat model, second is memory, and third is tool. For memory, let's just add simple memory because we won't need anything more than that here. Let's not add any tools as we don't need it. And chat model, you will see there are multiple options such as your OpenAI chat model, Lemonade chat model, Open Router, right? But we will be using Ollama here, so we will select Ollama chat model. But before that, we'll have to now configure Ollama because we have not yet run Ollama in backend. So let's do that. So switching back to our OneNote. So we have to install Ollama. So let's run Ollama in PowerShell. I will open a separate PowerShell window. And we'll just paste this here. What it is going to do is it's going to download Llama 3.2. It's a small model of just 1 billion parameters and it runs very fast on your laptop. Before that, let's run Ollama in the background. I already have it downloaded, so I will just open it and we'll let it run. Now let's hit enter. As we press enter, it is going to take a few minutes to download the model. So you see it's starting to download the Ollama 3.2 model. It's a 1.3 GB model, so it should not take a long time to download. I will let this download quickly. So the model is almost downloaded and here we go. I think it will do a few more downloads. Okay, perfect. The model is completely downloaded. Now going to the next step, let's go back to our OneNote. Now we need to just copy this URL, and so we will head over to our AI agent, and we need to now set up credentials for this. We will double click on this, select create new credential, and instead of localhost, since we are running this on Docker, use this URL, and we should not change anything else, just save this. So see, you see the connection is successfully tested. We will close this, and now I have 4 models on my laptop. One is GPT OSS, then I have a Farah 7B model and Llama 3.2. Let's select Llama 3.2, and we are almost done here. Now let's open chat and let's see if this runs. So I am going to just say hi, and it's using simple memory, and Ollama chat model is running, and here you go. It's asking how can I help you today. So I will just ask a simple question. Tell me about Llama 3.2 model. So perfect. All of this ran on our laptop for free. See, it's saying I'm not aware of any specific information and all of that, and it was a pretty quick response. So you see the value, right? We can easily build such automations and run LLMs for free on our laptops, and you can test out as many automations as you like. You can build simple automations to improve your productivity by just running these kind of models, and this is running on a laptop which just has 8 GB RAM. So essentially I can now run as many queries as I want, as many automations as I want for free on my laptop, and you'll see I'll just ask it questions, tell me more, and it will think on its own and it will give me an answer, and it runs pretty quickly, and at the same time it is also using the agent memory. So don't forget to subscribe for more such practical tutorials in future.